and welcome to Cooking with Madison Cowles. Today we will be making cupcakes.
Cut. It's omelets, not cupcakes.
I'm making cupcakes. Get away from me. Get out of my kitchen! I'm baking cupcakes. We will start off our recipe using the highest grade flour that Walmart has to offer. I know things that normal people don't know about cooking. Baking. Next we will start off with the water, but I don't exactly have a measuring, so we're gonna wing it. But I have the solution! Kirkland's Pourable Eggs, the thing that the world needs to solve its problems. Vegetable oil? Oh, well. Olive's a vegetable, so I guess it'll work. I mean, whatever. Fruit break! This is the image of sanitary.
Are your lips chapped? Do you feel unattractive? Well, I have the solution for you. Vaseline lip therapy, fresh from a panda's butt. It works!
You know, in France, they thrive for disgusting. That's great! Fruit break!
Putting my cupcakes in the lower oven.
It's really hot, like me.
It's so disgusting, but it's so good. I know, right? No.
It's jammed.
They said powdered sugar? Tastes like Tylenol. Oh well. This will make my cupcakes look 10 times better. Oh my god. Did you smell that crispy burning smell? That's good. Oh, wrong oven.
Told you should have checked them.
Oh god. Nothing a little frosting can't fix. Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Madison Cowles. Today we will be making cupcakes.
Cut. It's omelets, not cupcakes.
I'm making cupcakes. Get away from me. Get out of my kitchen!
You just like tape your whole face.